Congratulations to all of the 2021 GAAR Award winners. This year's live, in-person event was held last week at the Marriott Pyramid, and it was a blast. With a Roaring '20s theme, we enjoyed great food, live music, and of course, recognized the extraordinary accomplishments that you and your fellow realtors made in 2021. At Servant 360, we had the privilege of photographing the event this year, and I wanted to share some highlights with you. Take a look at these. Again, congratulations to all of the award winners and for another great year in real estate. At Servant 360, we feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results for their marketing providers. And that's why we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos that help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.